In this video, we'll take a look at the different options for creating a rubric in Google Classroom. Start here by when you create your assignment, you're going to come over to the bottom right here. It says rubric, and you'll see you have a variety of options here in your dropdown. First one here is convert from file. So you can take a file that you already have on your computer, and if you have it right here, saved in your drive, or you can upload. Go to upload, and then you have to browse your computer for that file. When to upload that rubric to your assignment. It puts it right in here, it pulls the information straight from your rubric right into the Google Classroom rubric, and you want to name this one, and then you can name that, you can rename that later. Click save, and then you have that rubric. I'm going to go ahead and close that down. And another option here is to create a rubric from scratch. Create a rubric. So this is it's some kind of a writing rubric. So we can say here, say grammar. And let's say we're going to do a 4-point rubric, mastery. Then you can type in description here, makes 0 mathematical errors, plus button here. 3, call this proficient, makes little to no mathematical errors. And then you can add a second criterion here, and you continue so on and so forth, and you click saved when you are done. Another option you have here is to reuse a rubric. So if you've ever created or used a rubric on a different activity, click reuse, and then you can choose which assignment, which rubric that you use on that assignment. You can pull that same rubric and reuse it on that assignment. So I can click on one of these right here. It's going to pull that rubric used on a previous assignment and we'll add it to this assignment. Go ahead and get rid of that for right now. And your last one here is to import from Sheets, which is not much different from this first one here, but what it'll do when if you know you have it in Google Sheets in your drive, it'll just show you the Google Sheets rubrics that you have. It won't show you docs or slides, just Sheets, so it helps you kind of filter your search a little bit. But again, some similar interface as the first option. You click Add. These are the different ways to use a rubric on an assignment in Google Classroom.